Let's see how we can use the hyperlink, formula text and split functions in Google Sheets. We have the hyperlink, formula text, and split function Google Sheet open, and it has the data template we require. In column A, we have the URL. In column B, we have the name. In column C, we want to create the hyperlink using the URL in column A, and the name in column B. In column D, we will create the hyperlink using the same function but in a different way. In column E, we want the formula used in column D as a string. In column F, we want to extract the URL, name from the hyperlink formula extracted in column E. In column G, we want to extract URL from column F. In column H, we want to extract the name from column F. In column I, we want to check if the extracted URL is correct. In column J, we want to check if the extracted name is correct. To get the hyperlink, we will use the hyperlink function, which creates a hyperlink inside a cell. It takes URL and optional link label as arguments. An example is shown. For our case, we will write equal to hyperlink A2, B2. Let's drag the formula down to cell C3. We see that we get a hyperlink using the URL in column A and link label in column B, which redirects to Google and redirects to Wikipedia. Another method of creating the hyperlink using the same function is by giving, instead of A2 and B2 as arguments, passing URL and link label in quotes. So, again we will write equal to hyperlink, in quotes the URL, copy the URL or link from column A, and paste here, comma, in quotes the link label or name. Copy the name from column B and paste here. For the other hyperlink also, we will write equal to hyperlink, in quotes, comma and quotes. In quotes we want this link, so copy it and paste it here. And for link label, we want this name, so again copy it and paste it here. We see that we again get a hyperlink for Google and Wikipedia. Next, we want to extract the formula used in column D, in column E. For that, we will use the FORMULATEXT function, which returns a formula as a string. It takes mobile as an argument. An example is shown. Mobile is the cell to be verified as containing a formula. For our case, mobile is D2, so we will write equal to FORMULATEXT D2. Let's autofill the data. We see that we get the formula in D2 and D3 in the E2 and D3 cells respectively. Now, suppose we want to extract URL, comma, name from hyperlink formula extracted in column E. We want only the URL and name, comma, separated. For this, first, we will use the REGEXREPLACE function to replace the double quotes in the formula text with null. we will write, equal to REGEXREPLACE, text is E2, comma, regular expression is in quotes double quotes, comma, replacement is null so we will write quotes. We see that the quotes are removed from the formula text. Let's drag the formula down. Now, on top of this, we will use another function to get only the URL comma name. For this, we will use the mid function. We will write, equal to mid, string is the string we just got using the REGEXREPLACE function, comma. Since there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11 characters in equal to, hyperlink, open bracket, starting at, we will write 11 plus 1, that is, 12. And extract length will be the length of the string given by the REGEXREPLACE function using the len function. We will pass this string as the argument, minus the 11 characters at the start for equal to, hyperlink, open bracket plus 1 character for the close bracket at the end, so minus 12. We see that we get the URL, comma, the name. Let's drag the formula down. We will remove this link. In column G, we want to extract the URL from the data we got in column F. For this, we will use the split function, which splits the text by specific character delimiters. It takes text, delimiter, optional split by each, and optional remove empty text as arguments. An example is shown. For our case, text is F2, so we will write, equal to split F2, comma, delimiter is comma, so we will write in quotes comma, and let's not give any optional arguments. Let's drag the formula down. We see that, in one go, we get the extracted URL in column G, and the extracted name or link label in column H. Now, we want to check whether these extracted URL in column G, and link label or name in column H are correct. For this, we will write, equal to, G2, equal to, A2, let's autofill the data. We get, equal to, G3, equal to, A3. Let's drag the formula to the next column. We see that we get the formula, equal to, H2, equal to, B2. And H3, equal to, B3. We see that, the returned values in column I and J are all true, so we have correctly extracted the URL and name. With this, we have successfully learned how to use the hyperlink function, how to use the FORMULATEXT function, and how to use the split function in Google Sheets. Thank you for your time. Please like, share, and subscribe if this video was useful.